Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog. I have a special one, guys. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And in case you're new here, guys, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official by subscribing, comment, share, like my videos, and watch full length of the videos. So, guys, today let me say hello to my mama. She was fetching firewood on my small yard here. So right now it's almost to rain. You can see the cloud. Wow. Hey, African mom. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, guys. So how was everything, mom?
I am fine.
You are fine? You cook lunch? Breakfast? Wow. So guys, today I supposed to buy for my mom sugar, but I postponed. You know, the money are not enough. So sugar was $50, and right now I didn't have $50. I have $25 in my pocket, so I'm lucky on 25. So guys, at the same time, I came with a good story to tell my mama. Mama, no electricity, hakuna stima. 3 days, no power. So even when my camera went off, that's the story of the business of videos. Sasa hivi hamna stima. Guys, I speak here, you think that I'm lying. No electricity in my village. It's totally dark. Even right now, I suffer to charge my phone, you know. So right now, my phone is almost 15%. Crazy. So imagine 3 days no power in our village. Especially mama, me, I went to charge my power bank, my phone in Nyabuhansi. So right now, no power. Anyway, guys, even the solar can't charge right now. You see, it's dark. Let me go near, guys. You can see between this side here and this side. Guys, please comment on the comment section. Look on other side. It's almost to rain. But we flow the vibe, guys. We flow the vibe. I can't complain at all. Me, I'm just honest, humble the way I am. And I'm ready to go, man. When I stand here, I see this project. I said, God, thank you so much. And for my returner subscriber, thank you so much. And for my good viewer, thank you so much. May God bless you. So today's videos, I take my sister to school. You will see that part. But she was around here. Hey, I'm fetching firewood. Nachenga chemeteke na poniki mu kama kwa hizi na tichingu African mom to the world. Imagine, guys, my mama fetch water within here. That's the firewood for cooking ugali or any food. And firewood is a renewable resources, not non-renewable. That's a renewable resources. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
Hey, eating banana. So today it's a sport day, so that's the reason why you see my sister around here. Hey. Right now, guys, she can eat banana. You see? Najisikiaje meno sai? Kahwena, mom. Yeah, I'm asking my mama, did my sister get together right now? Imagine, guys, right now she can eat even banana. Through you guys, me, I want to say thank you so much. Imagine. Huh? Yeah? Okay, what my sister tried to say, today it's our last day finishing the doors or tablets. Man, I can't complain at all, man. So let me show you once more. Maybe you think ambia mama aleta kitamba nipanguze hapa. Guys, this project have been supported by one of my beloved mom. Mama, wherever you are, thank you so much. Me right now at this moment, I can't mention your name, but behind the camera, this project, it's under one of my beloved mom from Jamaica. Thank you so much. And I have good family from Jamaica. supporting me a lot, and also good family from US, UK, Caribbean. Thank you so much for my entire world. Bahamas, Barbados. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Even I have my fans from Kenya. Thank you so much. And Kenya, that's my country which I belong to. I'm a Kenyan by citizenship. I'm a Kenyan by birth. Ooh. Mama, that's the bangusan. Yeah, guys, you want to make some cleanness on this? No morangu when. Yeah. So the responsibility about this borehole is to remove the shoes, and then oh my gosh, look, and then water is running like that way. Amanchi na marabu, amanchi na marabu. Katago ya ma unalingi carefully sana. So I'm asking my mama, did the water it's clean inside here? Mama told me like not too much. Okay, that's my sister. Look. So the condition number 1 is you remove the shoes from other side. We fetch water. Umemeza dawa? Tana shida patakuma. Mama. Deki mrango. Maybe I can help you, mom. And you know, you see this name here? Rino. Ijina mom. Ni mwenye amesimamia Kisumu. Oh. She's my beloved mom. But I don't want to show you guys down here. Me, as long as guys, when you stand one side, me I say thank you so much. And even on the other side, I have also and with the brush.
Brush, ma'am.
Oh, mama, we do like this. Have some stick here.
So Kevin, ma'am.
Kevin kirarusi chirangi. Oh. Yeah, we do like this, man. That's my mama, guys. Just vibing in our village here with my mom. And mom, you must be very careful. Yes, you do like this. Let that kiss you. I'm a brush. Yeah, mama, it's good to maintain the borehole to be clean. And do that kiss. Guys, here we didn't wash, but we tried to remove something here. Guys, sorry in case you're new here and you don't know my mom. That's my biological mom. I'm telling you, mama, I think we bring knife right here. Mama, si watu wanafaa kutoa viatu wakichota maji. Nopo haya nengo wote hivi nitio kitana na kudanganya. Guys, I'm telling mama, sio hichi.
Jida kidogo endo angalia kwa box huko juu.
Mister bring some different kind of the knife. Yeah, mama, let me look for the something like a nail. Okay. Higa nego tempa kishironi nko soka chiri. Kami non suara nyere genda he muitachate mikira kashwa. No? Ikure. Oh guys. Karambe na nyonde hivi me size. Guys, the birds are like singing the song. This part here, it's a blessing part. You know guys, on today's videos, no power in my village. We are in a dark situation. Hey, yeah, I think that one, mom, it's better. Let me help you, mom. Guys, I want to help my mama.
2025.
Yeah, do like this.
We can so come on.
Pole, man. Go rusing or you go? Guys, this is a knife. That one's even right here, man. Right here. Guys, just a minute. Just helping my mama. Mama tawa tana marangkap. Watching with my mama here. Ako atar hano mama kang tiyan. Atak pa na kirere. Ay nyumba ang kuika pa ni nyumba we pa na mo introduce kono po na mo kindly. Pa pa na introduce tebi nya poni ka pono nya poni hanar. Ibi avanti nya poni pono. Hanar. Working with my mama. Guys, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed,
Oh. Usinya kwa banya bunyi.
Oh guys, sometimes I speak vernacular language with my mama so she can able to understand what I mean. And also, okay, there's a knife right here. Mama, you work so hard. That's the reason why God bless us, man. Yeah, God bless us because you work so hard. You go to church, you praise the God every day. And guys, by the way, I'm a Roman Catholic. I'm telling you. And you, Kasongo? Me, I'm a Roman Catholic. And you? Guys, let me take you around. Okay, Mama, I'm coming. Checking you soon. Okay. Well, guys, I'm heading this way. And probably, guys, on today's videos, oh my God, we are in a dark situation. No power. When you didn't see my videos tomorrow, guys, please bear with me. Watch my on my rest of my videos because no electricity in Nyabuhanse village. Not only in Nyabuhanse, even in border town, Migori. No power right now at this moment. So guys, if you miss my videos tomorrow, like 3 days ahead of me, be with me. We had a clue the power went off 3 days, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. And let me show you guys on this area here we have blocks. So many people ask me, hello baby, what's the problem between you and other projects that we keep pushing? When I'm saying other project, I mean the project of making bricks. Right now, no business with that man because her mother brings chaos and conflict. So we need our man to return him back. You know, I can use maybe that money to buy cement or to buy sand, you know. So at this moment we have blocks here. This one is 700 blocks. So my engineer told me we need to start with 2,500. So right now I'm lucky 1,800. But if I can push step by step, you know me, I'm the guy who doing things slowly. You know, no competition, no nothing. It is what it is. And these vlogs, guys, don't charge me. When it's raining, like, it can affect nothing. Nothing can get affected here. You know, I was working as a handman in so many construction, and I use these blocks. Even my engineer told me no pressure on this one, it will be okay here. It can stay over 2 to 3 years. You know, it's so powerful. Wow guys. We have the cow right here. It's a nice cow, you can tell. Look, also we have the goats grazing here. Goat matata. Anyway, man, look, this is what we deserve. This is what we have in our home here. You know, no credits, no nothing. It's all my struggle, all my hard working, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying my best, man. I'm trying my best to have blocks right there, to have stones here, all the hardcore stones. Thank you so much, mom, for supporting me on blocks. Me every day when I'm shooting the videos, I want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much, because guys, without you, 100% of my subscriber, without you, I couldn't manage to go far. It's because of you guys, and me, I put hard working on my videos every day. So let's go this way and see how our day go. Oh my god, before I'm heading to greet, I'm going to pay a visit to brother Dagi right now, but I didn't lock my motorbike. That's my mom's cow. Imagine guys, that's my uncle's project, and they didn't have sand, but the sand that I have, they can use for meanwhile. This is the balance stones right here, I'm telling you. So it's raining time. I want to put the bike inside, and then as we keep moving on, I'm telling you guys, it's holiday. It's holiday, guys, for sure. Even my head's knocking. Anyway, let's go. I don't want to think too much, but when God say yes, nobody can say no. When God say yes, nobody can say no. Let's move on. So, Nyaboni, imetoa ufunguo hapa? Yeah. So, tange tora hasukin tora kuri chandrup. Nionishike camera. Guys, I want to put my motorbike on the other side. So, kauku. Kirudi nyuma. Kisauti. Anusi yangu. Songa, ushikilia kamera vizuri straight. I want to put my bike here. Ushikilia kamera nionekane vizuri. Then down here, we have the pots and paper. I need to cover my bike, guys. So, okay, let's go. Yeah, but I remember I take the key, I put inside my house. You know, sometimes, guys, I was working so hard here and there, and then sometimes I make some mistake because I talk too much. I worked like I was working here and there, right, left, center. Guys, for sure, like, I'm not blagging things. My family 100%, they are hard work, including me, including my mom. Who didn't see my mom working the farm? Who? Please comment. If you didn't see my mom working so hard, please let me know in the comment section. And also, even my brother who studied in university, they have some maize. They plant maize there and went to school. So soon he will be here at the long holiday, but you'll see him, you know, as I'm a firstborn, and then we make things are running in good way. Right here we have sweet potatoes vein. I'm telling you, that one that here. And I heard on the comment section people say, hello baby, you know sweet potatoes are very, very nutrition, and also it's a veggies. Yeah, I agree. On your comment section, me, I agree guys. No negotiation. And also even yams, you know, you keep going straight. Mukaka, Dega hamutore mi nanda hivi kwa kinagdagi there's one of my friend calling me here, so they are digging right now. Motamokera mbevu ya mahindi ga noro china meya so right now guys, it's a planting season. Other people are digging, you know. The more you plant earlier, the more you harvest early. The more you plant late, the more you harvest late. Yeah. Yani chino ni gamora bien.
We can eat this.
Also, these are veggies, guys. I'm telling you, these are beans leaves. I'm telling you. I am rataka from my kid.
This is our owner of this shamba. Me.
You? Or this one?
This me.
You.
I'm the owner of this shamba. Now I'm doing what you call weeding.
Weeding?
Yeah.
Hey, guys, this is weeding.
As you can see, you are removing.
Mbuyemo kumogera.
Beto kumogera.
Naraga turembore.
Tu já tô tora bom. Que marido só tá no tuek. As you can see, my friend.
And you have also gumboot. For protection gear. In Africa here. Que on beto koga berpasu. Kamanya que to tesaka. Now you can translate this one in English. You must work hard.
Yeah.
To put something on table. Also what that?
Hey.
If you are married, you must work so hard to make sure that your family puts something on table.
Yeah.
Yes.
Something like that.
Yeah. Put ugali on table.
In Africa we call it ugali. I don't know how you call it in your...
Imagine guys, this is the maize here. You plant and then when it's mature, give out some maize corn and then you harvest. You have something called flour.
Yeah.
Flour.
Obose.
Obose.
In Kikuyu we call it obose.
Yeah, obose is our local language. Yeah. You know, means flour. Maize flour. Okay bro, you dig. And it's too late. So it is hanged.
It is morning, man.
No, it's morning. Guys, to be honest, right now it's 3:30 p.m.
Oh,
overworking, bro. Hey.
As you can,
you can stop morning. It from morning.
From down here up to here.
You can stop it, bro. Right now it's 3:30 p.m.
Let us finish.
Since
here.
Morning up to now.
Yeah. You're taking something.
Okay. If you eat heavy food, you just work.
Yeah.
Guys, imagine from morning up to right now. It's crazy. Okay, bye, bro. Okay, bye. We shall talk later. Hey. That's another incredible story. Imagine, guys, they dig from here up to other side. There's another story for tomorrow. Oh my God. Let's go. We keep running with time, man. Right now, you see, guys, today it's not a normal day. Today it's a hard day for everybody in our village here. No electricity. I'm telling you, my phone, it's almost 20%, and I want to see whether I can manage to upload these videos. But before that, I'm heading to Brother Dagi. I'm going to visit him. I want to see some steps, how he makes some steps, because to be honest, he came for the advice, you know. I told him, if you get small amount of money, if you have any project, any idea, just keep pushing, keep pushing. He told me, you know what, bro, I have toilet which I dig 5 years ago, and right now I didn't cement, I didn't do anything. I told him, bro, you know what, if you get, like, let me say, if you get 10 USD, try to manage to buy even a cement, to buy even one iron sheet, to buy even also bricks. And guys, thank you so much for supporting each other in my village here. So we want to show you how we struggle, how we make things here. Imagine, this is my neighbor, and I also have the electricity here, but right now no electricity, guys. It's almost rain, and I'm heading to Brother Dagi. I need to walk quick and fast, quick and fast, quick and fast, you know. Oh my god, let me do hurry up, guys. Sometime, guys, hello baby, I can run heading this way. I'm telling you, you know, making exercise, that's the best way I can make exercise, man. You know, the rain is coming at the back, so I need to run out. Okay. Hello, even a control. That's the way of making exercise, you know. Oh my god, let's go. But where I am from here, it's not far. It's not far. Whew. Shkama. Let's see Brother Dagi, how he was doing here. Whew. This crowd Joseph's home, I'm telling you guys. And the fence have been covered by mabati. Mabati means iron sheet, or Jamaica they call zinc, because iron sheets, it's meant from zinc, you know. I'm keep going this way. Wow. Let's go. Look, the Mexican corn, sugar cane right here. Wow. Let's go. You can't imagine, guys. Brother Dagi and also Crowd Joseph, we stay closely. Like from my home up to here, I can walk 30 minutes, I'll be here. Imagine. And you can't believe that's Crowd Joseph's home, and also Brother Dagi on this side here. I'm telling you, guys, we are neighbor for sure. We are neighbor. Man, hey, goats are grazing here. Man. Let's go. Hey, it's rain, no electricity, man. Where am I heading to? Where are people heading to? You know, without power in your house, you can't run or you can't access electronic. You can't, guys. This is a local school covered with mabati within here, and it's helped some kids from our village here who can't manage to walk over long distance. You know, the rain is coming from other side, and I'm heading this way. This school is known as Achieva. There is a local signboard here. I want to show you a little bit, and then boom, you see right here, that's Achieva School Education Center, PO Box 85 Sibania, motto, strive for the best. Hello baby, strive for the best, or strive for the excellence. Wow, I'm heading that way, guys. Wow. Anyway, guys, in case you're new here, Welcome to Brother Dagi. Right here. This is a local rental that we have here. Let's see. Oh my god. And also my battery of my camera, it's almost to be done. Where dog? Uncle yako hajakuja. No one is here. But I have some the nephew and also have the mason. Okay. This is the iron sheet for the toilets. Right now, that's the mason right there. Uncle musikire guys, mosoki. They have been finished some work. Oh, ni sikozi mwa mkini. Okay guys. Hata ngogo yo. Oh. Okay guys. They've been raising up these causes and also to create a vent, like a ventilation. These are normal washroom guys. But we didn't find my brother. Maybe he went in Border Town to make 1, 2, 3. Wow. Look, yeah. That's why they came here. I wonder. No vent, no anything. How they can survive here? So right now they create a vent. You know, even my toilet have a vent. Yeah, because it's the same height of my toilet and also length with it, and also even the porch. Because that being said earlier, my brother came for the advice, and me, I'm the guy who just give my neighbor or my friends good advice. You know, I'm not like cornering. No, guys. I'm just humble, calm, chill, the way I am as a Hello Baby official, and no time with negativity. No time. You know. Also, this is the toilets right here. I'm telling you guys, right here, and also it has a vent. That one here. This is a small ladder for climbing here. But probably maybe by tomorrow or any other time, you wanna see my brother putting a roofing and then iron sheet. You know, it's slowly, guys. No pressure. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from this vlog, guys. Hey.
Finally.
Kasongo. Guys, I was waiting him and I said, you know what? I don't want to live here because without my brother. Say hello. Hey,
hello
boss.
To everyone, guys. This is Brother Dagi here. Welcome again to Hello Baby official YouTube channel. Bro, thank you for hosting me on your channel, bro.
How was everything here?
I'm so good, bro. What's up, guys?
Boss.
Welcome again. This is Brother Dagi, guys. I'm coming live from home right now here. At the same time, I was having the masons. They are here. These are the masons that I was having today. Yeah. So I went to purchase some iron sheets and nails. So the work is to roof this project right now here.
When do you roof?
Let's see. Guys, a little bit I'm taking you a tour. The work of today was just fixing upside here. You can see this is the work that we have done it here today. Yeah, so right now we are ready to do some roofing. Yeah, so I bought some iron sheet. Then from roofing, now
guys, right now let me go and check my work, how it's going on, and I'll show you the final result. Actually, yesterday, if you watch my video, you see some steps how the mason do it. Me, nothing to be hide anymore. So come along with me, guys. This is what I'm calling home right here. Nothing to be changed. Mama, oh guys, but they made will help. Let me show you guys how the work going on here. Right here. Mwenye nani alipaswa buroko. Nani magiha yangu yenye natengeneza nikipika chakula. This is the work guys for today. Fundi habari.
Salama.
Habari za masiku.
Nzuri.
Yes guys, see right now it's smooth. If you're watching my videos yesterday, I show you some steps. So right now, this is the final touches. Plastering here and then put cement to be more smooth. Hey. Hadi vile vimba ulitoa eh?
Kana maji hapa.
Kuleni kwanza, au hivi mkule wakati mnakula kivuta. See guys, comment on the comment section guys, what do you think about on today's videos? Wow. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah guys, that's my sister. So today I'm taking her to school, and as you know, I was taking her to the hospital for the removal of 2 teeth, and then she was quick recover, so slowly taking a painkiller or a tablet. So right now I'm taking her to school, so let me show you the work for yesterday, but it's by God's grace, man. Let me show you, man. Guys, you support me a lot, I can't complain. Look, right now this is the borehole, and actually that's how it looks like. You see? Oh. This is the work right here. You see how it looks like? Not a joke. This is not a joke, man. This is a serious work. And then the only thing that remaining here is to come and clean the door also, and to take this sand a little bit to turn it back. Well guys, what do you think when I plant some grass here around here, you know, so to make this place to be concrete? So what do you think, you know? But anyway, let me take my sister to school. So this is the bricks which are remaining here, and also I think I can collect it them and store in the house. Man, it's by God's grace. So right now I wake up early in the morning, so it's drizzling outside, you can't tell. So that's the reason why I wear my heavy jackets, and here we have the birds. Hey, it's quite early morning. Birds are making noise, sing the song. Wow. East to west, home is the best. And we have birds. Look. So guys, anyway, let me take my sister to school right now as I speak here, because it's far away from my home. And this is what's remaining here. Some bricks, you know. Maybe this one I will give my uncle to use it for the toilet. This one here, because it's too small. I want to cover myself in a good way. Okay, sister. What's your name, sister?
My name is Martha Nyabuni.
That is it. You know. Guys, it's good. You know my sister's name. We go. Hey man, it's drizzling outside. That's our cow right there. We left home. It's quite early morning. So I'm taking my stuff to school. Yeah. It's been a week. My sister staying home. But with challenges here and there. So we'll sort out. As I realize it's drizzling, I need to cover my guys. Hope you see me clear. Probably let's go. Wow. Oh my god. Down. Yeah. So guys, some kids. Oh yeah. Reported. Bye.